everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to explore one more new program to convert the list of string into the integer list. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and create one more class. Class name is into list of integer. Okay, we have this class. Let's create list of string here. String str list equals to arrays dot as list. Okay, let's create some elements here. And 15, 25. Okay, we have to apply string method on the list. String method. Then we have to apply map to the integer. Map num integer dot parseint integer dot parseint dot collector dot to list. Okay, this is the method 1. Using parseint and collect method. Okay, let's create one more list here and num list 1 is equal. Let's print it. List 1. Okay, let's print it. If you can check, we have printed a list. Okay, so this is our first method. Okay, let's explore second method. Okay, let's explore second method. In integer array is equal to list dot string map to integer num integer dot parseint num dot to array. Okay, then let's print the array. Arrays dot to string integer array num array. Here we are using toString method of the arrays class. Arrays class is the utility class. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, if you can check here, we have printed the array using stream API. Okay, We have covered two methods. Okay, let's explore third method. Okay, so segregated here. Method 3. Using to list, using to list method. Okay, list of integer num list 3 is equals to str list dot string dot map integer. Okay, let's try some other method. Okay, with the help of method reference. Okay, integer is a class and pass int method is a method of that class. Okay, parse int dot to list. Okay, let's print this list using to list method. Okay, what is the variable name? Name list 3. Okay, we can check. Yeah, if you can check, we have printed the numbers using to list method as well. I hope you understand well. Okay, okay, let's explore one more method. Sing select and method reference. Okay, list of integer num list 4 is equal to again str list dot string dot map integer. We are using method reference here. Parse int dot. Let's collect in another list. Collect collectors dot to list. Okay, we have collect the list in another list. Let's print it out. Thing and collect list. Let's add segregator so that we will be aware. Okay, using method reference and collect. We have printed same method. Yeah, if you can check, we have printed same array multiple ways. Okay, so let's add some challenges here. Okay, so what if? Okay, let's run it. Oops, we are getting number format exception. So how to handle this? Okay, say suppose I'm having some such kind of this list. Okay, let's add one more. Say suppose h. Okay, now my problem statement is I just wanted to take only numbers, and whatever string I have to filter out, and we have to remove those numbers which are not a proper number. Okay, so for this we have to add filter here, and we'll have to use a regular expression to remove it. Okay, so let's add dot filter num dot matches. Let's add a special expression d plus. Okay, let's check it out. See, if you check here, we have removed all the elements which are not a number. Okay, we have taken only the actual numbers. Okay, let's add this filter everywhere. Let's add this filter in each method. Okay, I hope we will get a correct result. Now let's check it out. Okay, good. So we have, if you can check, we have received all the numbers. Even we have such kind of numbers. This is the actual string. Okay, let's add one more number, minus 12. Okay, let's check it out whether it is working or not. Yeah, it is also remove the negative numbers as well. So we have just kept actual integer numbers. We have removed non-integer number, the string and the negative numbers. So let's wrap up today. I hope you understand all the methods. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.